everybody, this is Larry, and it's 2:45 on Saturday morning, and you can probably hear the generator running in the background. Well, I know you can hear the generator running in the background, and we're doing a second charge on our freezer and refrigerator. Read on Facebook last night where the power could be off maybe as much as 72 hours. I hope that report is not correct and the power does come back on soon, but I went to the Alabama Power website last night and looked, and there's power outages all over the place. When I say all over the place, I'm talking about here in northwest and central even of Alabama. The line came through yesterday morning about 10:30, and I don't think there was any tornadic activity in this squall line that came through, but the winds, we were already under a wind warning, just what they referred to as non-thunderstorm wind warnings. But then when the squall line came through, the winds just picked up to, I've not heard reports, but I was at my office and looked out the front door, and it really did look like it was coming a tornado. Couldn't see any distance out in the parking lot in front of my office, and it was just really rough. But anyway, had a lot of trees to go down, trees especially go down on power and utility lines just up the street here from us. We've got a huge pine that's over a high power line that comes through. I don't know if that's what's causing our problem here at the house or not, but anyway, we're without power and running the generators to try to charge the freezer and the refrigerator.
Well, hello everyone, Larry back with you again, and what I'm working on today, as you've already seen in some of the prelude to the video today, we are out of power here in our neighborhood due to the storms, and there's been some trees that have blown down up the road here, and I'm going up. I've asked the landowner and he said that I could have them, and I'm going up to assess the situation and see if they are where I can load them on my trailer and bring them back down here to be able to saw them up on the sawmill. So that's what we're working on today. Come on, let's get started, get down the road and see what the situation is. I'm out here at the site of these trees being down and going to just assess the situation, see basically how I could get into them and how I might be able to salvage these. We've got some pretty good trees in this. Just take a look here. Here's especially, we get these cut up and be able to move them back down to the house, and there's quite a bit of lumber in these trees, and I hate to see them just go to waste.
So we're going to see if we can move these out, get them to where we can work them. That one there is cut up pretty small. I believe we've got one here in this pile of material that we can get out, and will be a pretty good size log to work up. And then this one over here, this one is the one that was on the power line, and you can see this tree. They must have put a rope on it to pull it, or not a rope, but a chain to pull it off of the power line. And there's quite a bit of material in this tree here, so I think we'll be able to get down and get that tree. We hopefully can come right down through there. And then we've got one here, another huge tree that don't know exactly how. Maybe once we move this tree out, we can come down through here and be able to get this tree here. Gonna have to limit up a little bit, but quite a bit of lumber again in this tree here also. So there's a lot of logs out here that I hope we'll be able to retrieve and get back out to the sawmill to be able to cut up. So let's go to work, see if we can get some of them cut up, see if we can get started. And I just remembered that I did not bring my tape measure with me, so I'll probably have to make a trip back down to the house and get my tape measure. So let's see if we can get started.
At this point, a couple of my cousins stopped by. My cousin Ken Nix from Georgia, and then my cousin by marriage, Bobby Stone, stopped by to say hello and to visit for a few minutes and see what it was that I was up to.
I said, this ain't good right here, Larry.
I know, look at that. Do what, Bobby Jean?
I said, snap that pole there.
I took the last load of these logs on down to the sawmill area. I went ahead and staged them for putting on the mill at a later time, and starting with one of the larger logs because I've got something that I want to use it for as far as the project is concerned. I want to go ahead and get it cut up to the size that I need for that. I want to thank you folks for joining us on this video today. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please be sure, if you like the videos, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with a friend. Leave a comment down below. And do honor us by subscribing to our channel. If you're new to the channel, just coming and watching us for the first time, I really do appreciate you joining us, and I ask you again to subscribe. But if you're one of those who are already our subscriber and you're coming back to the channel, thank you so much for your faithfulness to St. Nick's Farm. So until next time, folks, this is Larry. I really do appreciate you. Have a great one. Bye-bye, everybody.